Hello students, in today's class we will learn how to learn the alphabets in one class, even the students in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So mostly the students are getting a lot of time in learning the alphabets. Inshallah, in today's class we will learn all the alphabets in a very short time, in couple of minutes only. Please follow the rules and instructions. Inshallah, it is very effective. In first step, we will divide the letters in 8 parts, then in 4 parts, then we will make 2 parts, then 1 parts, and I hope till the end of this class you will learn all the alphabets, even you are in any age. And after that, you can record your performance, and you can record the audio or video, and you can send me on the WhatsApp. Inshallah, I will share that with the other students by YouTube. You can also send me a feedback in the comment section, and inshallah I will try to improve everything for you. We will sing it multiple times, and in many different ways we will sing the letters and learn the alphabets. Alif ba ta tha, alif ba ta tha, alif ba ta tha, alif ba ta tha. So you have to repeat it multiple times. Jim ha kho, jim ha kho, jim ha kho, jim ha kho, jim ha kho. Keep revising. Next one is dal zal ra za, 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 dal zal ra za. So you have to keep revising. Next one is Sin, sheen, sod, dod, 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 sin, sheen, sod, dod. Now we will join all these 4 parts and read Alif ba ta tha jim ha kho dal zal ra za sin shin so dod. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kho dal zal ra za sin shin so dod. So you can try to sing with me also. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kho dal zal ra za sin shin so dod. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kho dal zal ra za sin shin so dod. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kho dal zal ra za sin shin so dod. Keep revising. Next one is to, tho, ain, gain, 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 to, tho, ain, gain. Keep revising. Next one is fa, qaf, kaf, fa qaf 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 kaf. Next one it is Lam Mim Noon, 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 Lam Mim Noon. Keep continue. And the last one it is ha wow ya, 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 ha wow ya. So you have to continue. Now we will repeat from ta till ya. طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا. Now in this part, all the letter we will sing together. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra za sin shin sod dod ta za ain gain fa qaf kaf lam mim nun ha waw ya. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra za sin shin sod dod ta za ain gain fa qaf kaf لام ميم نون واو يا. ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا. And keep learning. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.